You will not believe how affordable this hotel is I'm staying in tonight. We are staying in the Holiday Inn Express. This is a 3-star budget hotel. When you find out breakfast is included, you'll be amazed. Hello.
Hi.
May I check in, please?
You can. There we go. You stayed with us
Fantastic.
before?
No, I haven't. No.
Okay.
You're looking forward to Christmas now?
Yeah, I can't wait.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Me too.
it's gonna be nice.
Started hearing the songs today as well.
I know, and the Christmas tree.
Christmas tree's up?
Yeah, we're ready. So
Ready for Christmas.
Code to log into it.
Okay.
And then our breakfast is held down there.
Okay.
It is included with the rate, and it's between 6:30 and 9:30.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Okay, we are on number 4. Okay, so trying to find 404, and I believe it might be in here. Got 402 over there. 404 might be over here. It smells nice in here. I can tell they've been doing a lot of hoovering. It smells good. As well, just looking at the card as well, it's made of wood. Like a light piece of wood. That's quite nice. I've already placed my coat on the hangers. Got an iron up there. Got a shelf over here for like clothing and stuff. Down here we've got coffee and tea and 2 cups and a bin down there. Moving on, we'll leave the bathroom to the end. But we've got a nice large full mirror here and some switches down here if you're wanting to like dry your hair. But we have a hairdryer here on the side, which is perfect. The room is very huge. Look at the space in here. I'm gonna have to turn this torch on a little bit because there's no lights above the ceiling. But this is the large double bed that you get, and you also get a small sofa as well, which is perfect. I do think that you can use this as a second bed, but that is perfect, that. And you've got 2 light sources at either side of the bed and 2 tables as well. And I can't really see outside at the moment, but this is Wakefield city centre and we're in the heart of it right now. But tomorrow morning I'll show you the view outside of there. You've got a table here and also a, what would you say, an office sort of like chair. They've got a small TV up here as well and a piece of art on the wall. And these lights up here are really cool. I like these, how they're built in. Nice simple colour scheme, and it's like a nice material as well. It's like a, I don't know what you'd say, it's like stitching or something. Moving on to the bathroom. Nice huge mirror. Very nice. You've got some hand soap, don't know what it is. Soak, never heard of that company before. 2 glasses over there. See what's it like in there. Very clean. It looks like the toilet roll has been touched. That's probably a second-hand one and not a brand new one. But moving on to the large shower. Look at the size of this. That is fantastic. Big shower head. Nice glass window. Towels over there. Extra toilet roll down there, a new one. Right, let's open this up. Wow. Wow, that is a lot of space for a shower. That is fantastic. You could probably fit maybe 6 people in here. It's that big. It's fantastic. And you got this soak shampoo and body wash as well. The only complaint really is this dirt down here. I'm not sure what this is, whether it's just part of the plastic. Not too sure, but there is a pube down there. So, I've also noticed that that sofa right there can convert into a bed. Okay. So, in reality, you could easily have maybe 4 people staying in this room. When you find out the price later on in this video, you'll be amazed. Now that we've checked out the room, I think it's time to go and grab a drink. There is a massive scratch on the outside of this door though, I've just noticed. This is the seating area down here. Got the bar here as well. Got a Strongbow. I did fancy a Guinness, but they've got none on tonight, so Strongbow it is. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and cheers. Just been having a look at the menu and the prices, and £14 for fish and chips. Beef lasagna, nearly £15. Breakfast is at 6:30 tomorrow morning, so we'll be up bright and early for that. I will see you for breakfast. Good night. Good morning guys, so I've just been down for breakfast. There was quite a few people down there, so I was going to speak on camera, but I became a little bit nervous and I turned into a chicken. I did get some footage of the actual food that was available and it was really good. They had sausages, bacon, eggs, hash browns, everything that you needed. There was yogurt with fruit, which I actually got twice. It was that good. Apple juice, coffee station, croissant, and also blueberry muffins as well, surprisingly. There are a few things that I've noticed with the room which haven't affected my stay, but I have noticed some things that are damaged. Such as this down here, this doorstop is wobbly. I have some fraying down here on the bathroom door at the bottom. Looks like moisture's just got in and peeled it away. And also this morning I struggled to get pressure on the shower. Did try and tighten it up, but it just wasn't working, just kept leaking down. So, the price of this room for one night, including breakfast, is £49. Includes 2 beds, quite a large shower, a very good breakfast, a beautiful view of the Wakefield city centre, and I have to say as well, the staff were very friendly and very welcoming. Let me know what you think to this hotel room. Would you stay in Holiday Inn Express for £49? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well, it helps me out. Nearly to 1,000 subscribers, which is fantastic. So let's keep pushing. I will see you guys in the next video.